Hey everybody, this is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, welcoming you to this edition of the Get Moving Minute. Today I want to talk a little bit about what's actually going on in our bodies when we experience stress and why it is so important to our health and wellness journeys, our weight loss journeys, to our overall health, why we need to find ways to manage our stress. Look, thousands of years ago, when humans encountered dangers like a bear chasing us in the woods or, I don't know, a woolly mammoth, our bodies released hormones that sent us into a fight or flight response, okay? I mean, this was a life or death situation. It quickened our heart rate, blood pressure, breathing. This was to help us run away or fight so we could stay safe, so we could survive. And even though present day stressors look a lot different, our bodies still respond in the same way that we did thousands of years ago. So just remember, a lot of times when we're experiencing stressful situations, we tend to focus on what happened in the past, or we worry about what may or may not happen in the future, because our bodies have trouble differentiating these troubling thoughts with an actual threat, like, I don't know, a bear chasing you in the woods. Our stress response kicks in. It's no different on the inside of our bodies. So practicing any mindfulness techniques that ground us in the present moment can actually help us counteract this, okay? So think about how your body feels when you're thinking about the past or worrying about the future. And think about how you feel when you're actually focused and absorbed in the present moment. What are the differences that you notice? I mean, I want you to think about how your body feels when you yourself are feeling stressed, and what are your particular triggers that make you feel that way. And then I want you to think about, how does your body feel when you're not feeling stressed? What's going through your mind? What feels different? So I'm going to share with you guys just some scientific facts that I think is important for you to know if you're on a health and wellness or a weight loss journey. Number one, our stress hormones actually increase our appetite, especially for foods higher in fat and sugar. It's a survival mechanism. Number two, high levels of stress hormones like cortisol can actually lead our bodies to store more body fat, especially around our abdomens. So these stress hormones kick in our fat storing hormones. Again, it's about survival. Number three, studies show that practicing mindfulness regularly can help quiet that part of our brain that activates the stress response. So here's the deal. I know a lot of you out there aren't into all this new agey crystals, light the candles, get down in the yoga pose, create a meditation room. It's just not doable for most of us in our normal everyday life to take a meditation break, right? But there are some simple things that we can do. Very simple things like the deep breathing exercises. We've talked about that many times in the podcast before. Just taking a moment to breathe in, fully breathe out. Do that 3, 4, 5, 10 times until you feel better. Take a little walk. Just focus on the present. Don't let the past go. Don't worry about the future. Find ways to keep yourself focused on the present. And creating some awareness around, am I stress eating? I'm eating right now. I'm not even hungry. Is it because of stress? I feel my heart rate quicken. I know I'm feeling stress. What can I do right now in this moment to deal with that feeling? I have a little 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 exercise. I'm going to put it in the podcast notes. It's just a little thing you can do. Number 5, take a few deep breaths. Look around the room. Name 5 things that you see that catch your eye. Number 4, keep breathing deeply. Pinpoint 4 things you can physically feel. Maybe it's the temperature of the air, the fabric of your clothing, how it feels to be sitting in the chair. Number 3, take in the moment and listen for 3 sounds that you hear. Just take it in slowly. Number 2, take another deep breath. Are there 2 things that you can smell? Could it be laundry? Could it be candles? Could it be a nearby food? Number 1, lastly, 1, notice 1 thing you can taste. If you can't taste anything, you could grab a drink or use a lip balm, take a final breath, and continue with your day. So this is just the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 exercise. You can do this anywhere. Nobody knows you're doing it. Take 5 deep breaths, notice 5 things. Take 4 deep breaths, pinpoint 4 things you can physically feel. Close your eyes, take in the moment, listen for 3 sounds. Take another deep breath. Can you think of 2 things that you can smell? Take another deep breath and notice 1 thing that you can taste. This is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, reminding you to get up, get out, get moving each and every day. Make it a great day.